Let's see this previous year question, and the question says that 4-gram equimolar mixture of NaOH and Na2CO3 contains X gram of sodium hydroxide and Y gram of sodium carbonate. So the value of X is, so in question you have been provided with the equimolar mixture. Equimolar mixture means उसके moles equal हैं, right? Further you have been provided with उसका जो टोटल मास है उस मिक्सचर का, जिस मिक्सचर में क्या प्रेजेंट है, NaOH एंड सोडियम कार्बोनेट, उसका मास क्या, इट इज 4 ग्राम. बट यू हैव टू कैलकुलेट, अगर आपका x ग्राम NaOH प्रेजेंट है और y ग्राम Na2CO3 प्रेजेंट है, तो आपको बताना है अमाउंट ऑफ NaOH. सो लेट्स कैलकुलेट. First of all, you should know that number of moles is equal to given weight upon molecular weight, right? Since you have been provided with the equimolar mixture, let us suppose A moles of NaOH and Na2CO3 are present. And so moles is equal to given weight upon molecular weight, moles of it will be mass of NaOH plus mass of Na2CO3, and that is equal to 4 grams. It is mentioned in the question. Now mass is equal to moles into molecular weight. Moles we have supposed to be A, and mass of sodium hydroxide is 40 gram per mole. Further, if I talk about sodium carbonate, then its mass is A, and then mass will be 104 gram per mole, that is equal to 4. It is actually 106. And then the value of A, that means moles will be 4 upon 146, right? But you have to calculate the mass of NaOH. That means you have to multiply by its molecular mass. So for mass of NaOH, it will be equal to its moles and then its molar mass, that is 40. It will come out to be 1.09, which is approximately 1 gram. So answer is 1. That means value of X is 1 gram. This is your answer.